Alright, so what I've got here is another roll tool bag. I did all my tools in these rolling tool bags, but unfortunately the crackhead thieves next door cut my locks and took all my rolled up tool bags. So when I got the opportunity to review this, I got it. Cost me about 15 bucks, but they're on sale for 45, I think. So I did get a little bit of a discount. It's got these elastic straps in them, and it rolls out, and it's padded. It's padded nylon. It's supposed to be waterproof. Put your tools in there, and then this end it's got for your sockets, which I like this way a lot better than the tool bags that I had bought at Lowe's. I'm not sure $44 is a good deal. I don't think I would have bought this for full price, but it's definitely worth the $15 I paid. It's pretty nice though. It seems to be stitched pretty well, and I do like these elastic straps and the carry handle. Okay, so I'm gonna put my tools in this and then throw it behind the seat of the truck, because the tool backpack I've got is awful heavy. Keep it full of construction, hammers and saws and that sort of stuff. This can be for mechanic tools. So anyway, like I said, I got this for about 15 bucks with a discount for doing this review. And I will link to this video to where you could buy it if you are interested. So, thank you very much.